when the proposal came, आमच्या जेन्ना मॅनेजमेंटान प्रपोजल धाडले, हांवें रोखडो तुमचो MLA आनी लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन जे तुम्ही पळयला असेंब्लीत मातशें गाजयला पळय तें, ताका हांवें फोन केलो. तुमच्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सींतले एक प्रपोजल आयला. And he immediately said, "Oh, please sanction the bus." So I think so. You all should thank the leader of opposition. And I want you all, तुमकां आतां समजचें ना, आवय बापायक सांगता, ही पळय बस जी आमी घेवन तुमकां दिल्या ते म्हजे पयशे न्ही, हे तुमचे पयशे, टॅक्स पेयराचे पयशे. हे पळय तुमची आवय बापूय कश्ट काडटा, टॅक्स करता, पे करता पळय, हे तातूंतले येता. सो दिस इज back to the people. Whatever you contribute to the government for development, this is the development. It's a small drop in the ocean म्हणटा पळय तशें. But I hope तुम्ही फायदो काडटलो. I am sure management will make use of this particular facility. I wish you all the very best for your completing 100 years. आमचे कडेन कितें हेल्प करपाक जाता. I spoke to the principals, the teachers. MEP implementation has become a big problem across the country. So I have raised this on 3 occasions in Parliament. Education Minister of India's reply आया.
Cyclone survived the tsunami. Several sectors got a lot of leadership qualities. There is a lot that one can learn. And today in the Parliament, if you see, he's been raising several issues relating to our environment, relating to what is required in the state of Goa. And with his funds, this is for you to know, he gets a fund for his MPLAN. Under that, he has sanctioned this school bus for your safety to the management, and he's been doing this across South Goa. This is not the first bus. There are several things. There are several things that he wants to do in our constituency as well. So we should all be grateful that he has given us this सुविधा आमकां दिलेली म्हणून. आनीक मॅनेजमेंट म्हाका दिसता also there are some places where it is reported that 40-45 students एक बसीन येतात. ती सांगली also. तो बरे भाशेन म्हाका दिसता हेजो प्रयोग तुमी करतले म्हणून. आनीक खास करून education is one of the most important things